Gym managers are responsible for running the day-to-day operations of a gym or fitness center. Their job includes managing staff, organizing class timetables, making sure all equipment is safe and working, and helping members have a good experience. They also deal with budgets, sales, and marketing to bring in new members. A gym manager needs to be organized, friendly, and passionate about health and fitness, as they often support both the team and the gym's clients. The yearly salary of a gym manager can vary depending on the size and location of the gym. Someone starting out might earn around £22,000 to £26,000 a year. With more experience, or if they manage a large or busy gym, they could earn between £30,000 and £40,000 a year. In top roles, such as managing a chain of gyms or a luxury fitness center, salaries can go even higher, sometimes reaching over £50,000. To become a gym manager, it's helpful to have experience working in a gym or fitness setting, often starting as a personal trainer or fitness instructor. Many managers have qualifications in fitness, sports science, or leisure management. A Level 3 diploma in fitness instructing and personal training is a common starting point. Good leadership skills, business knowledge, and the ability to work with people are also important, especially when managing a team and keeping members happy.